Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Peasy, where we make everything so easy. Today, we are tackling something everyone can do, but not many can do it well. How to make a phone call. Yeah. Step 1, grab your phone. Simple, right? Step 2, find the person you want to call and search their name in the contact list or just dial their number if you have it off head. Step 3, after dialing their number, tap the green button and that is to call them. And after that, you put the phone to your ear and wait for a ring. Step 4, after the call, you tap on the red button to end the call. Don't forget, if you miss this, then you are in trouble. Easy, right? Stay tuned for more. And if you have anything you want me to demonstrate, don't forget to leave a comment. And don't forget to like and share our page.